And we have more news coming in. This politics over RSS chief's retirement remark. Day after Mohan Bhagwat's retirement at 75 remark, Congress says RSS reminding the Prime Minister that he will be turning 75. Modi should remind RSS chief of his age. Congress's one arrow, two targets attack here. I'm going to go straight across to Maushmi for more details on that. Maushmi, the Congress here taking a dig at the RSS and at the Prime Minister as far as the retirement age remark is concerned here.
Clearly, Sneha, the Congress has been watching over the timeline as far as Prime Minister's 75th birthday is concerned, considering the backdrop in which the stalwarts of the BJP, including Mr. Advani and Murli Manohar Joshi, were actually sent to the Margdarshak Mandal after they crossed the threshold of 75 years. And that's usually considered the retirement age in the BJP. And Congress has lapped up the remark that Mohan Bhagwat, the RSS Supremo, has made. In fact, Jairam Ramesh pointing out to the timeline of the birthdays really close to each other of the RSS chief and Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So perhaps it's a political war of words, a dig that the Congress would like to, take at the Prime Minister and make it a matter of political tussle.
Be with us, Maushmi Singh, getting in those details. We also have a reaction. Let's take a listen.
क्योंकि मुझे लगता है लोग मुझे गंभीरता से नहीं लेते मग पुढे ते असं म्हणाले त्यांचे शब्द म्हणून उपचार करू मैं जब मर जाऊंगा तभी पहले लोग पत्थर मार के देखेंगे कि क्योंकि मुझे लगता है लोग मुझे गंभीरता से नहीं लेते मग पुढे ते असं म्हणाले त्यांचे शब्द म्हणून उपचार करू मैं जब मर जाऊंगा तभी पहले लोग पत्थर मार के देखेंगे कि सचमुच मर गया मग ते असं म्हणाले 75 वर्ष का आपने किया लेकिन मैं इसका अर्थ जानता हूँ 75 वर्ष की साल जब उड़ी जाती है तो उसका अर्थ ये होता है कि अब आपकी आयु हो गई अब जरा बाजू हमको करने क्योंकि मुझे
All right, so that is a comment from Mohan Bhagwat essentially which has triggered the opposition's reaction to this.